In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a folder to your GitHub repository using GitHub Desktop. We'll do this entirely with the GitHub Desktop app, so you don't need to touch the command line. The idea is simple. You'll point GitHub Desktop at the folder on your computer that you want to track with Git, and the app will set it up as a repository with the right defaults. Start by opening GitHub Desktop. Once it's running, look to the top left corner and open the File menu. This is where you'll find the tools for creating and managing repositories locally. Choose New Repository. This opens a window that defines how your repository will be set up. Think of it as the blueprint for tracking your folder with version control. Begin by entering name for the repository. Use something clear and descriptive that matches the project or folder you're adding. Short, readable names work best, and it helps to be consistent with names you might use later on github.com. Next, fill in the description. This is optional, but adding a brief sentence about what the project is for can save you time later. It's especially helpful when you come back to the project after a break or when you're collaborating and want others to understand the purpose at a glance. Now choose the local path. This is the key step for adding your folder. Click Browse and navigate to the exact folder on your computer that you want to turn into a repository. If you select an existing folder, GitHub Desktop will initialize it and start tracking it. If the folder already has files, that's fine. Git will simply recognize them as part of the project. Before creating the repository, set the Git ignore option. Pick a template that matches your tech stack, like Node, Python, or Mac OS, so compiled files, temporary artifacts, and operating system clutter don't get tracked. This keeps your history clean and your repository focused on source files. Then choose a license if you want to define how others can use your code. Popular choices include permissive options like MIT, or more protective ones like GPL. If you're unsure, you can leave this for later, but adding it now creates the file for you automatically. Once those fields look good, click Create Repository. GitHub Desktop will set up the repository at the folder you selected, and you'll see it listed in the app with your chosen name. That's it. The folder is now added and tracked by Git, ready for commits, branches, and collaboration whenever you're ready to move forward.